Okay, my name is Tedros Matheus. I presented the given title Low Carbon Fuel and Advanced Energy Technology. Okay, and that transport decarbonization need particular bridge technologies. Hydrogen combustion can reduce carbon emission while leveraging existing engine in the manufacturing infrastructure. ምን ለማለት ፈልጎ ነው? ሃይድሮጅን ኮምባክሽን ሲቀንስ ካርቦን ኢሚሽኑ እንደሚቀንስ ነው። ትራንስፖርት ኮንትሪቢዩሽን 24% of globally carbon oxide emission in 2018 በ2018 እንደተጠናው 24% ግሎባል ኮንትሪቢዩሽን የሚያደርገው ትራንስፖርት እንደሆነ ነው። heavy duty road transport is difficult to electric with battery alone. heavy duty የሆኑ መኪኖች ብዙ ጊዜ ኤሌክትሪካል ለማድረግ ብዙ እንቸገራለን። ስለዛ የባትሪ ክብደት ስላለው ማለት ነው። hydrogen internal combustion engine can retrofit familiar architecture with a fuel cell stack. The central trade-off shift from carbon oxide to nitrogen oxide, save storage and control. For low carbon fuels, for different engine trade-offs, the review compares methane, methanol, hydrogen, and ammonia through combustion behavior, emission, and after treatment needs. Methane mature infrastructure, but methane sleep and fossil dependence remain concerns. Methane liquid, methanol liquid handle advantage with life cycle and toxic consideration. Hydrogen zero carbon at the point of combustion, but low volumetric density. Ammonia carbon free carrier, yet difficult ignition and nitrogen oxide and control. Hydrogen changes the combustion problem, not just the fuel level. It is high gravimetric energy and wide flammability ranges supported lean operation with low density and high resistivity create a new ይቅርታ የኔ እንትን ያዘጋጀሁት አልከፍት ስለኝ constraints low heat value need habit
full screen or PowerPoint.
Okay.